share the things that they buy. In the modern world, if you buy a product, what usually happens is the product will eventually fail. The battery will fail, something will fail, and it makes companies are making it harder and harder for you to be able to fix anything that you buy. And so Louis Rossmann wants to make that not a thing anymore because it used to be easy. Remember when you could buy a Samsung phone and remove the battery in the back and just change it out? Well, you can't anymore. Well, Louis Rossmann is fighting so that you can maybe do that again in future. JMove34, thank you for joining us on this thing. Who else we got? We got Linus Tech Tips, but do you really need to mention him? Because he's got so many viewers and millions of people that, you should know about him already. Anyway, Alishan Mao. Alishan Mao is one of the most unknown channels out there, but he's really cool. He's another tech reviewer like myself, and he does some really fun stuff. So go check him out, Alishan Mao. He's got the moves like Jagger when it comes to flying helicopters. One time he flew this helicopter, and I think there was part of the blade came off or something. It was unreal. He still was able to land the helicopter under it being, completely defective at that point, but he still landed it in one piece. So Alishan Mao, go check him out. Who else we got? We got Takashi Oyama. Takashi Oyama is a cool channel out there, guys. If you haven't seen Takashi Oyama, go check it out. It is really cool. He does FPV things, drones, and awesome tours of places with drones. It is cool. Go check it out. Takashi Oyama. We've got Julius George Obos. If you guys are into music, is another musical channel. It's really cool. Then if you guys are into walkthroughs of video games, if you don't have time to do your own video games, you can watch her go through all kinds of fun video games, even retro games that you may not be able to find today or buy today. Ruru Miki. What else we got? We got OC Rocks USA. OC Rocks USA is another fun channel. What they do is they will gift rocks to people. TTKL8, thanks for joining us today. So OC Rocks USA, when you are down in the dumps, sometimes people in the community of the OC Rocks USA will drop a rock in your driveway, a painted rock, or in front of your doorstep. And when you pick that up, you will feel better and feel supported. They've been doing that for a long time. I found one of their rocks in front of my driveway when it was the worst times ever. The